COVID-19 pandemic has drastically changed the dynamics of the global economy. While some enterprises have successfully exploited the present economic situation and enabled themselves to expand, the blow to the employment situation across sectors has undoubtedly emerged as the most severe and immediate impact of the pandemic. Yes, we are talking about the huge job loss as a consequence of the coronavirus pandemic. According to an online survey conducted by the Indian Society of Labour Economics, by the end of May this year, unemployment has been the immediate impact of the pandemic, lower economic growth, and the rise in inequality is expected to be a long-term impact. India's unemployment situation based on the data from ILO, Asian Development Bank, and CMIE is about 41 lakhs of Indian youth lost their jobs. India's unemployment rate increased to 27.11% by the end of May. The highest rate of unemployment was recorded in the urban areas at 29.22%. Even well-known top tech and multinational companies were reportedly forced to cut jobs globally as a result of the pandemic. With the uncertainty of future prospects and the recession brought about by the virus outbreak, the companies, irrespective of their size, have become more restrained with their budgets and have reduced employee numbers and simultaneously stopped hiring. According to a research done by a UK-based job board, around 64.7% of IT professionals are aware of the unemployment risk due to the pandemic. Let's look at some figures updated by International Labour Organization portraying the effect of the pandemic on the unemployment market between April and June alone. Almost 400 million jobs were lost worldwide due to the pandemic. Almost 59% of full-time jobs were exterminated in the Asia-Pacific region only. The COVID-19 pandemic has not only affected the job prospects of the employees, but it has also affected their lifestyle expectations to a significant level. With the evolving digitization of the enterprises across the geographies, many employees are facing the risk of digital incompetency. But the good news is that the digital solutions industry is experiencing higher profits. This expands the scope for highly skilled and digitally skilled individuals. If you want to know what these skills are in detail, watch our next video. In order to adapt to the present economic situation and the job market of the world, it has become immensely critical for the youth to upgrade their existing skills and knowledge accordingly. Moreover, the unemployment in the full-time jobs has led to the dynamic employment scope in part-time and freelancing work. Freelancing work pays you higher than full-time jobs and gives you an opportunity to prove yourselves. But this is only possible if you are showing exceptional skills and a great attitude. Now, let's look at what you can do to overcome this problem. Upgrade your skills specific to the industry and to your domain. Learn new skills that are in demand for the 21st century. In other words, your future skills. Move to freelancing and develop a concrete footing in the respective domain. Learn multidisciplinary skills. For example, if you're a digital marketer, you need to learn writing and presentation skills so you can showcase your work on social media platforms. Learn to add value, competency, and skillfulness in your work. Looking for expert guidance and courses to hone your digital skills? Check out Skillioma for related career advice and learn industry-specific 21st century skills in one place and at an affordable price. Build your career by maximizing your job scope with our various workshops and courses. We make learning easier and relevant. Skillioma, Beyond Curriculum.